The development of the Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macau Greater Bay Area is a key national strategy. Nansha of Guangzhou is designated as one of the key cooperation platforms in the outlined development plan for the Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macau Greater Bay Area. Located at the southernmost tip of Guangzhou City in Guangdong Province, Nansha is situated at the Pearl River estuary. It adjoins Dongguan to the east and Zhongshan to the west. It serves as one of Guangzhou's gateways for opening up to the world and is a pivotal hub linking the Pearl River Delta city clusters with Hong Kong and Macau. In 2022, the overall plan for deepening globally oriented comprehensive cooperation amongst Guangdong, Hong Kong and Macau in Nansha of Guangzhou was promulgated.
總體方案出台，賦予咗南沙立足灣區，協同港澳面向世界嘅重要戰略定位。呢啲重點嘅方向同香港鋭意發展嘅政策領域互相呼應，有助香港參與南沙開發建設，亦都為香港嘅企業同埋人才提供龐大嘅發展機遇。
The Nansha Plan outlines 5 key development directions, including industry cooperation in innovation and technology, cooperation in youth innovation and entrepreneurship, high standard opening up, regulatory interface and connectivity, and high-quality urban development.
南沙呢度無論你係做研發，你係做呢個生產，你肯定你嘅人力成本啊，其他成本呢係會有優勢嘅。個優勢就係我哋係可以更好嘅走出去咯。
香港其實可以係有高度嘅市場化，包括我哋嘅質量檢測啊，包括我哋同國際嘅聯繫啊，呢啲都係我哋嘅優勢。
港資呢個品牌喺內地嘅用戶心目中啦，咁呢個品牌嘅認受性係高嘅，產品嘅質素啊，佢哋都會更加有信心。
Nansha has introduced a series of preferential policies to support Hong Kong enterprises and young people, creating a conducive environment for their growth and development. Currently, over 3,000 Hong Kong enterprises have established operations in Nansha. Coupled with comprehensive living and supporting facilities, Nansha is now home to some 10,000 Hong Kong residents. With designated primary and secondary schools for Hong Kong children, a university co-established by mainland and Hong Kong institutions, and elderly care homes tailored for Hong Kong seniors, all contributing to greater integration of livelihoods within the GBA.
未來南沙係會持續用力推進基礎設施嘅硬聯通、規則機制嘅軟聯通、穗港澳居民深聯通，先行先試推動大灣區市場一體化嘅建設，促進人民相親、民心相通，打造國際一流嘅灣區同埋世界級嘅城市群。